If your wife tells you that you're snoring at night, bro, go get that checked out. The problem is with snoring at night, it can actually be indicative of obstructive sleep apnea. Trust me, that might be the reason why you're fatigued all day. That might be the reason why you can't get up at a certain time. It's okay. And actually, some people may not be obese. It's just based off their anatomy. Maybe their chin is actually not protruding. They might have a chin that goes in like this, and they don't have that much distance between their jaw and their neck, and it's something you can't help. And you might need a sleep apnea machine. So if you're snoring at night, get that checked out, because it's an easy fix, bro. And you're gonna feel way better if you get that fixed.